So, I got some old mangoes and Spam. Spam fries and mango ketchup. Let's go. Starting with the mango salsa, get your meat out your mango. Check out this score from the dollar store. Cinnamon and sugar already put together? I'm gonna put a good amount in here. I mean an obscene amount. Now we're just gonna give it a little kick. And I'm gonna be modest with this one. Give it a splash of some white wine vinegar and blend. If there was no such thing as tomatoes and it was supposed to be yellow, that could be ketchup. Now, on to the Spam fries. Check out this fry cutter. This thing is sick. Woo! Yeah. Let's try that one more time. Gotta do it like you mean it. Ooh. Not sure how necessary this liner is. Still new to this air fryer game. So I set the air fryer to 390 and a timer for 20 minutes, but I actually pulled it out at 15 minutes. I would say like every 5 minutes, give it a shake. Gonna put it on a sheet pan, let it rest a little bit. Look at that. Yeah. Spam fries with mango ketchup. Enjoy.